Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll show you, step by step on your Windows PC, how to receive US dollars in Venezuela from abroad. Since Venezuelan banking can be challenging, I'll cover the safest and most common ways to get your money. Let's get started. Option 1. Use international money transfer services. Platforms like Western Union, MoneyGram, and Remitly allow you to receive dollars quickly. The sender enters your full name and ID number, and chooses cash pickup in Venezuela. Once the transfer is complete, you can collect your funds at a partner location by showing your ID. Option 2. Digital wallets and fintech services. Some platforms, such as Airtm, PayPal via exchangers, or other trusted local fintechs, let you receive US dollars online. The sender deposits the money into the platform, and you can either keep it as USD credit, withdraw in dollars if available, or convert to bolivares at the current exchange rate. Option 3. US bank accounts. If you have access to a US bank account, the sender can transfer dollars directly to your account. You can then move the funds to Venezuela using a trusted service or withdraw in dollars if the account allows international access. Important tips. Verify all recipient details before the sender confirms the transfer. Compare fees and exchange rates across platforms to maximize your funds. Start with a small transfer before sending larger amounts to ensure everything works smoothly. Receiving dollars in Venezuela is safe when you choose trusted services and confirm all details in advance. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.